Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to use the new variable blocks that they added in the Yeeps Back to the Suburbs update. Because these blocks are kind of complicated and not everyone understands them instantly. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to use them because they are confusing and I feel like some people don't know how to use them. Let's go. First we have I call this the Reflector. I'll be teaching you guys on what the inputs are, the outputs. Well, there's no outputs for this one. But basically, for the green one, this adds a number every time you click it. For the blue one on the side here, it subtracts a number every time you click it. Then, say for example, let's just click it twice because I don't want to use the variable setter. And I click it on the red one, what you guys might guess is, well, it'll reset it. Because we all know red means reset it, so, because of all the other blocks. Next we have the variable setter. Basically, what you can do, when you click on it, it says, please enter a new value. You can write whatever you want. Say, for example, I say 50. It will change this reflector to be 50 when I click it. It can be whatever you want. It has an input on the left side of it and the bottom. Right here. Put it back here. This is the variable randomizer. It randomizes your variable. You have to set a minimum number and a maximum value, a maximum number. For example, I have 10. So, as soon as I click it, get a button real quick because I quick crafted something. When you click it, it does a random number. Like 7, 2, like whatever the number is that you chose from 0 to 15, whatever you want. There's basically like a insanely high maximum value, and one of all of them. It's kind of like the randomizer that you guys like to use for gambling machines, but it's for variables. Because there's no way people are going to use the variable setter and just add like 1,000 of those, and use like freaking gambling things, which is good. Which is actually good they added that, because there's no way anyone's going to use the randomizers and add those things. That would just be annoying. Next we have this thing. It is the less than. I'm pretty sure it's called less than. I'm not really good at math, but I'm pretty sure it's less than. I don't really memorize the side. This one's greater than. This one's less than. I'm pretty sure. So say I have this thing. We can have the comparison value of the less than be 4. Let me grab you real quick. So since the value of this color is less than 4, this will remain to be on. And the same thing, then vice versa for this one. If it is let's say 4 for this one too. So since the value is no greater than 4, then it will not turn on. But if I make the value 5, I'll switch over to this one. This one will be on and this one will be off. Way to memorize it, if you guys are also doo-doo at math like me. You have the comparison number, like the number it is comparing off the reflector is always on the left, and the number that you have it set is on the right, like on the block. So, yeah, this is the number on the reflectors right here. That's the reflector's number, and the comparison number is on here. Same goes with this one. Reflector's number is on the side, and the bigger one's number is right here. That's a quick way to remember. Oh, okay, so next we have the second to last one. We have the equal to variable. Basically, you can put any number, again, like 5, and as soon as the variable is equal to 5, oh my god, what just happened? Let me grab you. So since the variable is not 5, it will remain off. But as soon as it is 5, it will turn on. You can use whatever number you want. Does not matter. Let me reset it real quick. Yoink! Wait, I was just dumb. I could have used the thing on there. Anyways, next we have the biggest number block. The biggest number variable. Basically, you can use these across different colors. let me just set up a contraption real quick. Alright, now say for example, I have all these numbers. Each one has a different one. I can set them. And now, it will pick from all these numbers in the entire map, does not matter what color. Whichever one has the bigger number wins. So, if we add some randomizers, if we want to. Alright, so now we added these randomizers. They'll go off at once. And as you can see, the red one had the bigger number, so the red's biggest number thing went off. Do it again. And since teal had the bigger one, its thing went off. You can use this for whatever you want in your map. This could be especially used for whether a baseball game, basketball game, or football game. So whichever one's variable is biggest, it will set off confetti for that team, or say this team won, this team scored. Well, scored would be, yeah. Well, yeah. And now I'm gonna be showing you guys like some contraptions that you can make with them. A couple of mixtures. Hey guys, just quick pause. I just wanted to let you guys know that CS1, which is an object show me and Millie. Okay. Hey guys, so quick stop real quick. I just wanted to let you guys know that an object show me and my friend Millie that we were making with a bunch of other people is officially out. It's called CS1, but you probably would want to go to a release channel. I'm gonna put it in the description, and I'm gonna put the timestamps for all the different wiring stuff in the description. And I actually voice acted for radio in the show, and I just wanted to let you guys know that that's it. And to continue with the video, bye. So say for example, red scores the blue thing, adds one to red teams. Blue scores red team, adds one to the blue team. Some people just do that and have these the exact color as each other, which made the machine not work. We also have the time block, because a lot of people think, oh well, they didn't add a time block, so they would just make a freaking loop. They would make a wiring loop with one of these things, which is just wrong. Like, do not. They made a literal block for this exact purpose. Get one of these. Then you want to get one of the time setters. Where is the time? This thing's for the time. Remove. Okay. So, what you can do, for example, is you can either make it add or subtract. If you want to make the time add, you do it from here. If you want to make it subtract, do it from here. But first, before you make the timer work, you must do something which is it's kind of goofy, but you have to make it so that you have one of these things. This thing on, so it acts like a little timer. It also can count up if you put it the opposite way. Counts the time. So you can initially set the time as soon as it starts. Say for example, I get the variable setter, and I want the time to start as 10 minutes. What's 10 minutes again? 600 seconds. Okay, so we have oh my gosh, 600 seconds, and do this, and then reset it. Oh wait, I put it the wrong way. Yep, and that's how it works. And if you want to make it so that it like does something as soon as it turns off, you can get a less than. Once it's less than 0, you can make it so that like confetti goes off or whatever you want to do. You can get confetti cannons, do whatever you want, knock yourself out. Not really, literally, but you know what I mean. Let's say. Do 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there you go. You have to make it 1 because if you put it 0, there's no such thing as it being less than 0 because there's no negative numbers in this game for some reason. Because it would have been really cool if they had negative numbers, but I guess they didn't want to. And you can do this exact thing with basketball hoops, with whatever you want. It'll work. And yeah, so I think that's about it. I think I've covered every wiring block actually. Yeah, I've covered every wiring block, but also they added an 8x8 screen, which I'm pretty sure everyone knows how to use. Just put a signal to the screen, which I'm gonna be using for my new green screen. And yeah. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it helped you with any wiring build you're building, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!